How to change songs on Capcut template. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. Start off by launching a Capcut application in your device. So over here, firstly select on the template icon that is at the bottom. Here you can select from any template that you desire, or you can even search for the trending templates. Now let me go ahead and click on this random one right here. Now if you want to choose, you can select any from here. Tap on Use Template. Once you select on the media that you wish to add in the template, at the very top you will see the music icon. Here you can see currently it is using the original music. If you wish to change it, just click on the original option. From here you can select different music. If you wish to, you can select extract audio, which will help you to extract audio from a video file. If you wish to add this song, you can select on add sound. From here you can select any of the music that you desire, or in the search bar you can just search for songs and artist. Then you can just select from there. So this is how you can easily change up music in the Capcut template. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.